Hello guys, welcome to Ultimate Forex. Today 9 July 2020 and let's see the gold chart. Okay, see the chart. We have started the views counts from the this area 1757. So as we discussed yesterday, we will touch soon the 1821 and uh, this one is 1 2. Yesterday I have count this one as here, but it is shifted here as we can see inside the views. Here wave 1 we cannot see, it is invisible. So this is 1, 2 and 3. We can consider as a 1, 2, 3. It is in a minor time frame, 1 minute frame. So and we are in a 15-minute frame. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one is fifth. So inside the fifth you can see this one is one, two, three, four, fifth. So our wave 1 is completed over here. Then we have seen wave 2, 50% retracement, and now we are in a third wave. So what is the target of this third wave? This may, let's count. So this perfectly near 1821. This is 161 percentage, and above this one we may see 850 as a 261.8 percentage, and another Fibonacci is 2.23, 1839. So our target for this third wave is either this one 1821, 1839 or 1850, and it is continuous going up. So let's see the way 1, 2, and 3. So these three is our target for this wave. Okay. Now let's go inside the this third wave. So you can see this is very difficult to count waves, but we just try to give structure. This one is wave. This one is 1, 2, and third one is just going on. Either it may complete here, or if we break this one 1817, then we may see higher levels. So we are also in the third wave of the third wave. So these waves, this run is very swift and fast. We should not sell in this run because it will trap. So don't try to sell at any levels because third wave is always swift, fast and dramatic. So don't try to chase the market. Whenever it comes down, you can buy only. And we will see when the wave, this wave will complete, and we may see a correction as a fourth wave. So this is how I predict this wave 1, 2, entire this 3. This may be as a 45 angle. This is 45 angle, and this is above 45 angle. You can see this is going up and up. The angle of the waves is going increasing because this one is third wave. So either it may complete around this area. Sorry, this is this one. 21, 38, and 50. Third wave may finish between this one. Fourth and this one. Then we will see a fourth wave correction and then a fifth wave. So let's see what happens. But it is very interesting in this area. You can see very swift run. So let's see. And another pair is DXY dollar index. So on 4 hour frame, we can see this is started from 20th March. This wave 1, then triangle correction B, wave 2, this wave 3, is wave 4, and fifth is running. So fifth, end of the fifth round, 96.11 or 95.06 or 93.37. So this is also the bearish, that's why gold is going up. So when we see the end of the fifth wave in gold and end of the fifth wave in dollar index match both, then we may see a recovery or a new impulse wave started from the bottom and from the high of the gold. So till then this trend will be continuing. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. If any question you can comments, or if you like my videos then you can share me. That's good for me and for needy person also. Okay, thank you.